awesome party. Yeah, baby. Oh, just look at that. Woo! Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, it's up the Spire we go. Wow, over the river and through the woods, past Manfred the Chocolate Man's house we go. I've been hiking for about 2.5 hours. Had to stop at Manfred the Chocolate Man's house to get through. But some of these spires are absolutely incredible, and we're almost to the top of one over here behind us. Woo, God willing. Just about to the top. You know, if things were easy, everyone would do it. I hiked for about 5 hours yesterday and slept on the side of the mountain. As you can see, the ocean is all the way over there. Whoa, that's a long way to the bottom. Good Lord. That's fully zoomed in 7 times. Oh. And when I say quite a hike, we've passed through several waterfalls, came up down these trails, going down these valleys and up these hills, basically walking these ridges all the way to here. And it has been so incredible, especially sleeping on the side of this mountain in the middle of the night. I will stand by you no matter what. You are my rock and my fortress and my deliverer, my strength and my high tower. In you alone I will trust. This is Michael in Sail and Dead Reckoning, signing out.